channel. The main part of this channel is to show you how to cook Japanese food. Today, we are going to show you delicious ginger pork. Ginger pork is very popular food in Japan. You can even find it in many restaurants in Japan. This is what you need: onion, sliced pork chops, ginger, soy sauce, sake, sugar. You can buy soy sauce in grocery store. Find it in Asian food section. Sake is rice wine. Looks like you can buy sake in Target. Otherwise, probably need to go to Asian market. Keep in mind, Miri is different, so make sure you are buying sake. Look at this pork chops, $2.78. Oh my goodness, great price. I cut meat against grain. By doing this, meat will not shrink when it is grilled. Also, will be easier to chew though. Before you cook, put your pork chops into plastic bags. Then add 4 tablespoons of sake. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. This ratio never changes for ginger pork. Also, add grated ginger as much as you like. I put this much today. You can keep it for maybe 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, pick them out from the bag and put them in a bowl. Make sure you don't waste sauce. Okay, let's cut onion. I just simply cut like this. Allow me, I am just 9 years old. No rush, my friend. I do mess up sometimes, not many times. And put little flour to coat pork slices. Flour helps to keep sauce inside of pork, and it will be beautiful brown surface when it is grilled. Okay, then stir fry pork after heat oil. Heat level is medium to high. Don't move pork chops often until it gets slightly brown. red onion and keep stirring. Look at these pork chops, look so yummy. I am trying to focus on onion grill right now. When onion gets grilled, add sauce into it. You made it! Look at this. This is super yummy and my favorite. When you eat this with rice, it is awesome. If you don't know how to cook steamed rice, please see our previous video, steamed rice, in the description. Have a link for recommended soy sauce and sake. Thank you so much for watching the video. We are going to upload many simple, quick, easy Japanese food videos. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. Make sure to leave comments as well. I'll see you in the next cook.